You're watching Phillips Food Central, and I'm your host, Neva LaRue. Today we are in Houston, Texas, at one of the best damn food trucks around, Uncle Reggie's best damn food truck to be exact. Y'all, before we go any further, stop what you're doing, head to Instagram, and make sure you are following him so you know where to find this truck when you come to Houston. Best damn _ everything. Reggie, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, of course. So tell me a little bit about what you have going on. Now listen, with the name Best Damn Everything, Reggie.
Hey, don't you trust a man with confidence?
Yes, sir, I do. So tell me about it. Tell me about it. Okay, so you got the best damn everything.
Okay.
What does everything mean?
Like everything.
Everything.
So everything I make, I'm a chef.
Okay.
And everything I make is the best damn.
Well, damn. So do you have a favorite item that you make that's just better than everything?
Absolutely not. My mama told me don't. What sets me apart is international. The word international. So when I'm from Memphis.
All right.
Made in Memphis, paid in Houston. I made a pact with Houston, blessing me with my business. I said I'll never copy the Houston style of cooking.
Wow.
So I bring my hometown of Memphis, the Memphis dry rub, the Memphis rib tips, and then incorporate different flavors from around the world.
Gotcha.
So it's like today I brought jerk chicken. I brought a Jamaican inspired jerk chicken. Sometimes I have like African suya. Yeah, so instead of like I do a suya dog, it's one of my favorite meals that I make.
Goodness.
And basically what it is ground beef that I had. I ground it up. I made my personal suya spice. And blended it all in, and I smoked it for a few hours. Man, the people that come out and see me on Saturdays and Wednesdays, they love it. You know what they say?
What?
Damn.
Because it's the best damn everything.
It's the best damn
Reggie,
everything.
what you holding in your hand?
Oh, I'm holding right here. It's Peyton's pickles.
Are these the best damn pickles?
Oh, they are the best damn pickles.
Okay.
Hey, Peyton is the best damn boss. Peyton really the CEO. That's my baby.
I like it. I like it.
They're a Nigerian-inspired pickles.
Wow. And are these hand cut and house made and all of that?
Hand cut, house made.
I like it.
And actually, I sell these to a couple of local restaurants around the city.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I visited one of them. Craft Burger.
All right. So I heard we had some Jamaican-inspired jerk chicken.
Yes. So I have some Jamaican-inspired jerk chicken that I brined for 48 hours. I marinated for 24 hours. And I came out here smoking for about 2 hours, and I'm here to serve it to y'all.
Well, can you serve me some?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm right behind you. Let's go.
All right, so welcome to my kitchen.
I love it.
Okay, my restaurant.
Hey, nice. Look at that smoker.
My 22 karat gold sauce. It's my staple. What we call it back home, we call it honey gold.
There you go.
And so we put it on everything. We put it on wings, put it on barbecue. Like literally everything.
I like it.
And then moving on to the next one, I have my Bluff City. So Bluff City is what they call Memphis. It's only right that I'm doing my home steak type of barbecue sauce.
Of course, of course.
Because here they have more of a vinegar base.
Yes.
And then we have more of a sweet mustard.
I like sweet.
Oh, you like sweet?
I like the sweet.
Wait till you try this.
I can't wait.
Wait till you try
I can't wait.
And then last but not least, what started everything.
Hot. Is it
This
real
one
hot?
right here. You're gonna try it.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna try it.
Okay,
So I have a combination between my 22 karat and my 38 hot.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am. So the 38 hot stands for, when we mad, where I'm from, we say I'm 38 hot. You know the little 38 revolver, I'm 38 hot.
Ooh,
And
so basically don't mess with you if you're 38 hot.
Don't mess with this. So with the jerk chicken that I'm gonna give you today, I'm gonna give you a mixture of both of these. And for all jokes' sakes, we call it spearmint. Not experiment, we call it spearmint sauce. One of my fan favorites, and what the people absolutely love. They beg me to come out, they beg me to bring it every time I come out and show out. We're gonna step into the Legion of Doom right here. Smoked mac and cheese.
Is this did you say smoked mac and cheese?
Smoked mac and cheese.
Uncle Reggie, now listen, this better be the best damn macaroni and cheese I've ever had.
Hey, if it ain't, I'm giving you your money back.
Okay, all right then. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that top has that perfect golden brown crust on it. You can tell that it's getting that flavor from the smoke all through it. Ooh, yes. Yes, put that up, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
And then we're gonna move on and grab some rib tips.
All right.
Nephew! Now I'm gonna hit you some of this Memphis seasoning sauce right there. Boom, 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 boom. Then, cause I hit you with some of that that jerk sauce right there.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna sit this right here because we're giving you a real platter today.
Woo. I love boudin. Now, can you tell us what boudin is?
Okay, so boudin is a rice stuffing.
Yeah.
Rice stuffing sausage.
Exactly.
Basically for ill terms.
So like a little bit of pork in there, a little ground pork, some sausage, and then
right.
you put it into the casing just like, some rice. You put it into the casing
right.
just like a regular sausage,
right.
and then you smoke it to cook it. It's gonna have that crisp casing on the outside, that crunch,
crispy,
with a little bit of seasoning from that
right.
rice in the back. I'm excited for that one.
So it's like a dirty rice.
Yes, there you go.
Sausage.
There you go.
Right.
There you go.
Right.
There you go.
And
All right.
so what we're gonna finish off with, so I'm gonna hit you with that Bluff City.
Okay, okay. That's
right.
going on my rib tip.
That's going on the rib tips.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna sit this right here.
Uh-huh.
All right, then
I like for my bread to soak up some of the sauce like that.
We call it sopping.
A little extra.
A little extra,
so I can sop it up.
So you can sop it up.
Okay.
And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our
38
hot.
And then you're gonna do 22 gold, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
38 hot right there.
Oh, you're gonna make me a little mix I can dip. Not only do I like to sop, but I also like to dip. You know my heart. Y'all, look at that. We have Jamaican jerk chicken. We have some rib tips, boudin, smoked macaroni and cheese, all with his custom sauces and seasonings. This is gonna be damn good.
Hey,
I am so excited.
Hey, we call it slapping one.
Okay. I gotta start with this macaroni and cheese, because that is, now Reggie.
Don't hurt me on my truck. Let me move this knife.
It is cheesy, it's creamy. The noodles are not overcooked, which is very important. Very important with macaroni and cheese. But that smokiness, oh my, you have to highlight that it's smoked, because that is special. Okay, hold on. Last thing I have to try, I gotta try this boudin. That's good.
You love it?
That casing is nice and crisp, a lot of flavor on the inside, plenty of rice. Hold on, I got jerk chicken too, y'all. Okay. That's red. That sauce is hot.
I'm sorry.
I mean, listen.
It's 38 hot.
It is 38 hot, but it is delicious. It has so much flavor, a little bit of sweetness in there, just enough bite, and the way it pairs with that jerk chicken is out of this world. You know what you're doing, Uncle Reggie.
I'm trying.
You sure do. Uncle Reggie, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, niece.
I sure appreciate it.
I'll call you niece now.
Oh, please do.
Okay.
Please do. I'll be back to see you.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right.
much.
I'll give you a hug. Jay, we're here with Uncle Reggie's Best Damn Everything. He was giving out free barbecue today, which is so dope because he loves to support the community. That's good, ain't it? That's good. Can you tell us about it? What's that? Is that the boudin?
It's the boudin.
Jay, ain't that boudin good?
It's wonderful. It's
so good. It's so good. Okay, wait. Go ahead. Now taste that smoked macaroni and cheese from me, Jay. Here, I got you.
You got me?
I got you. That's what I said. That's what I said. Exactly. That's exactly what he just said, which was nothing, is exactly how that tastes, because it's amazing. You have no words. You have no words, Jay. It's that good.
I'm taking words right out of my mouth.
I'm telling you. Jay, thank you so much for being here with us, and thank you to Uncle Reggie and the Best Damn Everything located in Houston, Texas. Again, make sure you're following his Instagram so you can follow him all around town. We got boudin and Memphis style ribs here till 8. Hurry up. Come on. And guys, I'm your host, Neville LaRue. This has been another edition of Phillips Food Central, and we're out. Bye.